What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on NIO ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news about this company. And at the end of this video, I will show you my forecast for the price of this stock. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to take a part in the limited time offer from WeBull and earn 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, just open new account, deposit only $5 and choose your free stocks. Link in my description. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very bottom, and I've told you that we had, let me show it to you, we had a bullish divergence, and bullish divergence is the pattern when you can see the higher low on indicator, in our case it is RSI, and lower low on the price action. And this pattern shows us that we might have a trend reversal. And let me show you that we have a confluence level with the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement from this bottom to this top, our recent movement to the upside. And it is also a very good sign that we might have a bounce from this point. And it happened to the tick. And also I've told you that we should have at least bounced to the level of 0.65. And we hit this level to the tick. So 2 out of 2 my recent predictions came true. And I have to say that I'm very bullish on this stock, and I'll show you in a minute all the upsides and downsides of this company, and you will decide what to expect next from this company and what should you do if you want to invest in NIO. So let's start with fundamentals. First of all, let's start with the company profile. NIO Incorporated designs, develops, manufactures and sells smart electric vehicles in China. And I have to say that for now they are about to start their first sales in Norway. And let me show you right here. On CNEV Post, we have this article that was published on August 21st, and it's titled NIO launches app for Norwegian users. And right here you can see that NIO's app for Norwegian users became available in the local App Store and Google App Store on August 16th. Marking an important step in the Chinese electric vehicle company's expansion to the European market. And right here you can see that NIO will deliver its first model, the new ES8, in Norway in September this year. And the smart electric flagship car ET7 will also enter Norway next year. So it is a very good sign for the company, and let me show you that for now it has a total market cap of $60.49 billion. They have a revenue of $4.27 billion with a negative net income of $1.27 billion. They have a very good revenue growth of 182.3%, and their total cash position is very stable of $7.26 billion, and they have a total debt of only $2.67 billion. So from the financial standpoint, this company is extremely stable, and you have to keep this in mind that there is zero concerns about financials of this company. So let me show you what was the main negative catalyst around all the Chinese companies during the last several weeks. And we are on CNBC.com, and let me quote you this paragraph. Earlier this year, regulators introduced anti-monopoly rules targeting so-called platform companies. This month, regulators issued draft rules to stop unfair competition in the internet sector. On Friday, China passed a major data privacy law called the Personal Information Protection Law, PIPL, which takes effect in November, following 2 other key data policies. So these factors negatively impact all the Chinese companies, especially companies like Alibaba or Tencent, but auto manufacturers didn't have a severe impact on their price because of these laws. And let me show you negative news that was related directly to NIO. And you might know that several days ago it was a horrible accident, and right after this accident, let me quote you this. In the wake of the fatal NIO ES8 accident, NIO has begun requiring users to take a test before using the assisted driving feature. The NIO app pushed out the NIO pilot exam to owners on Monday, featuring a 6-minute video and 10 quiz questions according to electric vehicle industry from ddxq.tech. The video repeatedly emphasizes that drivers need to stay focused at all times when using it, and that they need to remind others to watch this video in its entirety when handing over the vehicle to them, and confirm that they understand and master the use of NP and the precautions. They trying to mitigate all the negative impact that was made by this horrific accident, and in my opinion it is quite good steps from the company to handle this problem. And I have to say that if you produce enough cars, and for now to the date they produced more than 124,000 vehicles, definitely some of these vehicles will be destroyed in fatal accidents, and it is just a nature of life. But the company should mitigate all the potential problems, and that's why they are issuing these type of tests. So let me show you other positive news about this company. NIO's battery swap stations reach 380, and let me quote you this. As of August 22nd, NIO has 380 battery swap stations, 252 supercharging stations, 444 destination charging stations, and access to more than 390,000 third-party charging piles in China. NIO originally planned to have 500 battery swap stations in China by the end of this year, but at the first NIO Power Day event on July 9th, the company's co-founder and president Qin Li Hong announced that the target had been raised to 700. On July 9th, NIO said that only 29% of customers currently have a battery swap station within a 3-kilometer radius, which is unsatisfactory. By 2025, NIO hopes to have 90% of customers within a 3-kilometer radius of a battery swap station. So, these battery swap stations will increase their monthly recurring revenue, because let me show you right here. NIO ramps up marketing of 100 kWh battery packs. For NIO, getting existing customers to upgrade their 70 kWh packs to 100 kWh packs in an important source of additional revenue besides selling cars. Now the company is stepping up its efforts in this regard. NIO has scheduled 8 online live events from August 23rd through the end of the month to ramp up its promotion of the 100 kWh pack. With the 100 kWh pack, their models will increase the ranges up to 615 kilometers, according to a preview of the events released by the company on Monday. And right here you can see that they will also increase their monthly recurring revenue, and this increase will also improve their financials. So let me show you institutional owners of this company. As you can see, green rows indicate new positions, red rows indicate closed positions. And we have almost zero red rows, we have more green rows and the white ones. And white rows indicate some kind of change in position. But majority of these companies still hold strong their lines, and it is, in my opinion, it is a very good sign for the company. But you have to keep in mind that all of these filings have a delay of at least 45 days. And this is the nature of these filings, but you have to keep this in mind. So, and let me show you one interesting point. Right here you can see the average price of the position, and all of these prices are at the level of above $45, 53.2, 46, right here we have 45, 46, 46.09, 46. Only one company has the position of 25.19. And this means that current price of $38.95 is much more attractive to almost every institutional owner of this company. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, let me show you that our major accumulation point was right here at 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, and I've told you that everything that is below $34 is a very attractive average price, and we nailed this bottom. And from this bottom to this top, I stopped to make videos right here at the 45 level, and I didn't make any videos until this point, until we hit the Fibonacci retracement level from this bottom to this top of 0.65, and it is a very good accumulation point. So even right here your average price is around $40, and On my previous video I've told you that this point is also very good accumulation position, and that's why all of my calls are below the average price of almost any institutional owner in this list. So, and let's continue with the price action itself. What should we expect next? In my opinion, if we will see some continuation in trend, if we will have some retracement, and next retracement will be higher than this bottom, it will indicate that we are starting to form a positive trend, an uptrend, and that's why you can add your position. So, what should you do if you want to invest in this company? First of all, do your own due diligence, and then you can accumulate your position on every daily red candle. Let me show it to you. If we will have a slight pullback, you can add your position, and basically for now, with all the bullish sentiment around this company, despite of its Chinese origin, in my opinion, this company is still very promising and has a very good price targets. Let me show you that some analysts right here on CNBC just raised its price targets from $65 to $67, and let me show you that it is a all-time high right here. And from current price to this price point, we have about 71% of upside potential for this ticker, and it is extremely good profits. So, with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!